No-bake cookies are easy to make and are on the to-do list of many holiday bakers. These Butterscotch No Bake Cookies put a twist on your average no-bake and serve up a caramel-like treat that are a welcome addition to your cookie jar. They're hearty, delicious, and packed with goodies that'll have you coming back for more. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a saucepan over medium heat, heat 1.5 sticks of butter until melted. Then add the evaporated milk and granulated sugar. Give it a stir and heat until it comes to a rolling boil like this. Then remove from the heat. Add your 3.4 ounce box of instant butterscotch pudding mix and stir. Add your 4 cups of quick cook oats and salt and gently toss to coat. Add in the butterscotch chips and stir together. When the mixture has cooled for a few minutes, add the Toffee Bits and stir to incorporate. Finally, add the chocolate chips and give it a final stir. Using a cookie scoop, scoop the dough onto a wax paper lined cookie sheet. Press them into little balls as you scoop them all, then go back and flatten slightly. Whatever shape they're in is how they're going to harden. If you like more goo over oatmeal, then reduce the oats by 1/2 cup. Cover them loosely with plastic wrap and allow them to cool completely for about 30 minutes. Butterscotch No Bake Cookies are a fun twist on an old classic. I like mine heartier so the oatmeal texture is heavenly, with a good balance of the butterscotch, toffee, and chocolate chew in the middle. These freeze well, so just thaw them on the counter when you need them. I'm thinking I need one now. Going in. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.